Hello and welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to talk about Sobr. I made a video a couple of days ago about that, and at the time the stock was pumping and it was going to $3.87, which is the levels I have already here. Today I'm checking out the stock again. It was at $2.50, and then when market opened it jumped all the way up to $3.50. However, it's still not able to cross that $3.80, 87 cents mark, and I think this is where I made a video about it before as well, that the stock, the value, the way the stock, potentially we can make money on that, right? It seems like this level has been tested a couple of times now. When it comes down, there's no doubt in my mind that stock is definitely going to take it back up, and if it crosses this, for example, if it crosses 387, right, there's nothing beyond that, right? It potentially it could go above 387, and then it could create a new resistance, right? Right now this is the hard resistance right here on a 30-minute window. If I go to daily chart, for example, this is definitely a hard stop for it to not be able to cross. This is a very hard one. This is where the people who are buying the stock and selling the stock thinking this should be the price for the stock at this moment, right? However, there is money to be made, and the way we generally make money is, which I made a video about it again before as well, that it keep coming down to the lowest level, right? $2.50, and then it's keep coming back to $3.80 or $3.79 and $3.74 in this case, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep watching this stock, and I'm gonna wait for it to go down again, and then when I start rising, then I'm gonna put in my chips and hopefully make some money off of that. Again, this is not a financial advice. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys that, look, I'm still not very optimistic about the stock right now. They still have way to go. This is a fairly new company in the sense that they still have to market their product, and they do have some clients they're working with right now. Continental is their client they're working with, but they still have to expand their business. And as for now, the way I see a value on the stock is basically having the stock come down and then reach the levels that I'm showing you here. I'm not persuading you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just giving you the facts that this is what I'm going to do. So basically, if you're looking into the stock, just know that there's a hard stop of $3.74, $3.80, $3.87. Stock is not being able to cross that hard stop. And basically what it comes down to in a nutshell is that the people who are buying and who are selling are thinking that the price should be around, this is the maximum price for the stock at this moment. But when it goes down, and this is where it becomes an opportunity for a regular investor. So take a look at the stock, definitely watch, keep an eye out, keep an eye out on the stock, and see if when it comes down, try to see if it's showing you signs of going up. For example, you have a couple of indicators that could be used. For example, RSI is one of them, MACD is one of them. These are the edges. They give you a perspective that, okay, the stock is taking off. They're not, these indicators are a little lagging, okay? So which means the price action happens first, and then these indicators come into play. But what you could do is, when it goes above 70, you already know there's a pressure for the stock to be bought. And if the MACD is higher as well, like the histogram is a lot larger, that stock is still rising. When it starts coming down, see if it came down, and you see how the histogram started turning red, MACD already crossing down, and RSI is coming down below 70. Now it's still above 70, means there's still pressure of the stock to be bought, but it's more of a consolidation right now than anything else. So right now it's consolidating. Either it's going to go up and hit that $3.87, or it's just going to take off and go down. This line right here, this is your moving average. The 13 period, it is acting as a resistance right now as well. So it's bouncing off of that. If it crosses this, it could potentially come down. But again, as I said, money to be made. If it comes down, it comes down to $2.52 or 50 cents, for example, there is a potential for the stock to go gain $1 again. So this is a great opportunity. Take a look at the stock. Of course, it's not a long term right now. This is more of a day trade for me, but take a look and see how you guys like it. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. I release video every day. The objective is to get you guys information, and this way you can invest and make money and hopefully grow. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.